Saan tayo punta? Kailan mag-explain?
Right here. Cuba.
We're gonna explore their city and then we're gonna be able to do horseback riding, go to their alligator farm. What's gonna happen?
So we're going to the city of Cuba. We're gonna go to an alligator farm, an art museum. The tour guide said we're gonna take a boat through the city. So I'm assuming there's water in the city as well. Yeah.
Ito, mga ano, ganda lang yung dala. Here. Yeah. We're at the bus.
Wala silang gamit. Palit kaya tayo. Baka
Sus! Itim ko na.
Alam mo, tingnan mo yung sunburn ko. Nangangati na yung dito ko kanina umaga.
May ano? May aloe vera gel ako sa ano. Ala ka, sunburn yan!
Oo nga. Kaya nga.
Lagot.
Sunburn na talaga.
Ça c'est la première after. Okay. After that, okay, we're going to visit, okay, the city of Moron. The city of Moron, that's the nearest city from the tourist destination. La ville de Moron, c'est la rue qu'on va visiter après la fin privée. C'est la ville de près de la destination touristique d'ici. Dans la ville de Moron, il y a différents arrêts, ok? Il y a un parcours pour profiter ainsi. So in the city of Moron City, you have different stuff, and you will enjoy, okay? So some of the stuff up there at the city of Moron. Talking about a little more about the private farm, the case of the private farm, you have the horse riding included. We're gonna make a tour. Jardines del Rey. The translation into English, King's Garden Destination. En français, la traduction des Jardines del Rey, c'est le jardin du roi. Ça, c'est la couronne. Ça, c'est la couronne, que c'est le symbole qui représente la destination touristique. C'est ici, c'est la partie plus profonde de tout le chemin. C'est 100 et 400 mètres de profondité. Le reste, seulement 2-3 mètres de profondité. So,
Bumaba kami ng bus and magpipicture daw kami dyan. Yung The Crown. Ano daw yung The Crown? It symbolizes tourism?
Ewan ko, tulog ako nung sinasabi niya yun.
Hindi nakikinig. Basta yun. Babalik na kami. Babalik na kami ng bus kasi tapos na mag-picture. Ganda oh. Parang Pilipinas lang. Charis. My love, say hi. Huh? Did you see the flamingos kanina? They had flamingos. Oh.
A small pink bird.
Oh.
Have you seen a pink bird before?
No.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, no. I've never seen
I've seen a flamingo.
I've never seen a
I
flamingo.
don't think a pink one is that tall.
We're at the farm already. That was a 2-hour freaking trip.
Now seeing what life is here.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
People are
how-
just using the washroom and then we'll take the tour of the farm.
I don't- not
It's
the-
so similar to the Philippines.
I'm talking about like those small towns. It's
Oh.
kind of sad.
Yeah.
You can definitely see
The
how
struggle.
advanced the world
Yeah.
is now. We're still living in like the undeveloped era right now.
Mm-hmm.
They don't have that much motor vehicles here.
Masarap yan.
Lutong pa to. Bakit? Di mo tuturukin eh. Oh my God!
Okay? We call it the land bee. Okay? Crochet, okay?
It have the same characteristic, medical characteristic of the honey you tried. Okay, yeah, you can tell. Yes, it doesn't. Okay, you see? Yes. People that suffer from cataracts, okay, they drop quantity of this honey to the eyes and get better. Okay.
Gracias.
Go to the doctor. Yes. That's a natural.
Okay
and
guys,
you will
we're gonna
find
try
all
the
the
honey. Come on.
characteristics, okay?
Cuban
Oh, Star, halika dito.
Wala na, ubus ko na.
Mm. Parang yung yung pulot, yeah. Yung pulot. That's good.
That's some good ass honey.
That's healthy if you have cough.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. Yun ang magdala kayo, kape. Huwag naman kayong post ng post, mag-act natural lang. Visit.
So, let's discuss the guava.
Guys,
right here, look.
that's your first time, Bob.
Oh my god.
once, I guess.
Wow.
You're amazed.
Yeah,
We always play with those
but people
before.
step on it.
Yeah.
That's sad.
Shy plant.
I'm gonna see the egg.
What egg? Oh yeah. Oh guys, they have a nest here.
Ooh.
Don't break it. No idea. She didn't know what to think. She didn't know the translation. And then that's their beehive. Yung mangga nila. Hindi pa daw yan malaki. Oh my god.
The bees don't make any sound.
Yeah, because those are nice bees.
I love nice bees.
Yeah. Parang Pinas lang. How you feel, my love?
Crazy.
Fascinated?
I'm in a different world right now.
Hindi, magra-ride. Horseback riding. This is my first time. This is our first time. The three girls are scared. I hope you can hear me. Ay, dalawa tayo, Ate Jai. Be nice, be nice. Uy, Kiara, mag-chill ka lang. Oh my goodness. See you later.
Welcome to our farm. Say hi. Yung vlogger naming friend.
Nawalang ka.
Nawalang camera. Okay lang, I got you.
Oras natin.
Ay, mag-hi kayo ah.
Okay, magay kayo sa vlog.
Huwag talagang buwis buhay para sa vlog. Princess! Princess! Yuhu! Princess! Mocho! 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 Hola! Hola, Mocho! Princess, ano ba? And that's the bundok over there. Tobacco house? Hola! Hola, hola! Buenos dias! Ready na uwi. Oh, pineapples! Pineapple, do you have a pen? Oh, wow! Oh my gosh, ang ganda!
What's guava in
What's guava? Guaya? Magpa-park na kami. Oh, wow. One moment, please. Nakikinig siya.
Un momento.
Un momento, por favor. Princess. Ay, wow. Nagbabaw siya.
Thank you.
Princess, princess.
Magabot ka nga, may ilan, ano mo, may dalawa ka pa dyan.
Ay wow, binuhat pa si Kiara talaga naman. Binuhat pa siya, oh. Special. Paano na ako dito? Wow, uy, tulungan mo ako. Bigay mo kay Star pa, video mo yan.
Okay, Jai, go. O, sige, magpapabuhat din si Jaira. Papabuhat din yan, ah. Papabuhat din yan, ah. Oo, di ba? Nagpabuhat din.
Huwakan mo nga, bibigyan ko.
Here, my friend.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye, princess. Bye, mucho. Gracias.
Largest leaf. And this largest leaf, they are very good for the last ending.
Hola.
Alam mo yung sa amin sa ganito, sa Pilipinas.
Buti na lang may night mode yung cellphone, no?
Hinahang nila dito.
Feeling. Oh, wow.
Electricity now, okay? That's a real Cuba. You can come inside. So the leaf have to dry right here in this kind of houses. And you see the different levels? It means when it's higher, the dry is getting drier. That's the meaning of that. And after they dry the leaf for about 40, 60 days, they have to be packed in boxes like this. You can get closer. Boxes like this, okay? You see? You see? You can smell.
Oh,
Yeah.
smells
Tobacco.
My grandma's very, like,
addicted to that.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's her smoking, yeah.
86.
Yeah.
And still smoking.
Ah, still smoking tobacco?
Sabi din mo si Ali.
Say hola. Hola.
Hola.
Asan na siya? Asan na siya? Asan na? Ah,
What
grabe.
happened? Wave.
So, wave to the vlog. Grabe.
The horse riding. First they went and left me. I'm joking. I didn't want to go at first, but they told me to have an experience. And the horse I rode was named Princess. I feel bad.
No, your horse was pretty big though.
It was a big horse, but
It could carry you.
it can carry me. But you know what was making noises?
Oh, really?
They had like
Jeez, love, I
Like
told you. Pabalik na kami, guys. Alas 12 na, no? Tayo nakapunta dito, 10:30. And yan, yung mga chicken nila. May chicken, may pabo.
Ayun yung kalesa nila, oh.
Ano parang tricycle? Ay, jeep pala.
Bawa yung kabayo.
Ito kaya ay, karinderya. Karinderya. Parang pharmacy.
Ito, ano to?
Ayan. Arimbo.
Ay, terminal ng bus.
Terminal.
Wala pa lang kasi karinderya din, ah.
Meron kanina, nag-ano sila. Nagbenta ng fried chicken.
Ay, ba eh?
Ang pila kanina.
Sana pa rin talaga sa atin.
Oo.
Mas nakakaluwag mo pa tayo. Ayun o. Yun talaga yung sakayan nila. Yung kalesa.
We're on our second location. Lovey, say hi. Say hi. Ang init. May kalesa sila dito. Parang vegan lang, oh. Parang vegan lang. Panis.
Pwedeng apat.
Apat lang ba? Or 5? Kaya yan ng 5?
Kaya yan ng 5. Doon tayo sa malaki.
that's so sad.
Lovey.
These are big.
Ako, parang perya.
Guys, we're at the thing.
Ay, ayun o.
Oh, hi, hi.
Ferris wheel.
Oy, mag-hi kayo.
Ayun o, doon.
Tara.
Ay, yeah, want to walk, Hello, bilad-bilad.
Oh, ang init. Sunburn.
Ito yung sinasabi mo.
Bait ng mga tao dito. Ay, tricycle oh. Wow, mga nakakulay red pa yung buhok ni ate.
Like vegan. Welcome to
nag-hike.
Vegan Jaira!
Welcome to...
Uy, kano kayo hospital dito, no? Parang wala pa ako nakikita.
Hospital kanina.
Meron?
Ay, grabe, parang Pilipinas po. Tingnan miss po.
Pero paano pag doon ka nakatira sa farm? Saan yung hospital mo doon?
Wala.
45 minutes pa.
Oo.
Ano to? Water station siguro to. Color blue eh.
Bienvenue. Mercados. Ideal Mercado.
Ito, blondida.
Yan. Pilihan na.
Ala, may motor din! Magkaroon na lang tayo.
Bigyan mo ayun.
Paris. Philippines. Ay!
Ang hirap naman.
Alam, may Leon pa oh. Start.
Oh, ito daw telephone company. Hello.
Nasa Burnham Park na tayo.
Ilocano.
Ilocano.
Icolana.
Hola. Hola. Tanga hindi.
Sagana sa pintura.
Oh. Benito Star. Baba.
Sige sa tayo.
Oy, wait. Mamaya. Kay Wally yung ano. Gracias. Thank you. Tara, tara. Hola. Where are we?
Ang galing kasi coordinated na talaga sila, no?
Oo.
Like, pagdating natin dun, meron na talagang nakaredy.
Hindi na sila mag-aano.
Yeah, ang ganda.
They meet us here.
So, pinuntahan
Yeah.
na sila.
Hola. Here, guys. Ito magkano to?
Ha? 20 USD yan?
Oo, ito. Ay, ito 25. Ayan o, 20.
Uy, ito yung gusto ko, Day.
Ano yan? $50.
Sorry.
Oh, ayan, mga souvenirs nila. Lovey, look at the plate number. Uy, ito parang ito bet ko. Ito 15. Di dito ka na sa ano. Sa... Ito magkano to? 5 dang? Where are we going next?
To the crocodile.
15. 15 minutos.
15 minutes. We're going to
15
the
minutes to get
alligator
to the
farm.
next stop, okay? 15 minutes environ pour ver la prochaine arme. Here. Déjà ici dans la fin de crocodile. There are different pools. Vous pouvez partager différentes piscines. So that depends of the ages of the crocodile. Depends the large the crocodile. Here as we can see the biggest one. There's someone in the dark. Oh. Ah, there's someone over there waiting for us.
Third location.
Can I bring your stuff?
No. Leave it here. Let's see. You see it there? That one? See it, that one floating? Oh, there's one here. We go that way, the other side. Hey, look, my love.
Wow. That's a sword.
Look at it.
What do they eat?
I know. Oh, there's so much here. They eat meat, chicken. They're, carnivore.
Pang-picture lang ba?
Kasi sa Subic ganun eh. Bibigyan ka nila ng food, tapos ito-throw mo sa baba ng
Guys, we're gonna go carry the baby crocs. Yeah, baby crocs. Ay, hindi. Nakaano yung bibig. Okay, hawakan ko. Yeah.
Putik, pinapasa lang sa'yo.
Oh my God. Hala ka, oh. Hala, sira ulo. Uy, hawakan mo talagang ganun. Putik yan. Uy, mag-sanitizer kayo agad.
Oh, dito sa isa.
Mas maliit yung nandun.
May ano kayo?
Ay, sagad ha. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3.
Wait, take picture. My love, wait here. Smile here. We're gonna go feed the crockies. It's American crocodiles. Look how many. Whoa! Oh my God, ang dami nila.
Is it picture?
Ayun na, kanga na.
Oh my God, pinag-aaway nila. Sige.
Ayun na lang yung mabait. Yan. Yan.
Ay! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Ganyan talaga, te.
Yummy. They don't chew it.
Sige. Sige, kunin niyo.
Wala na. Just finished at the alligator. Alligator farm, I think. Now we're headed to lunch. Yeah.
That's the ball.
I don't think so. Mga Tom Goods. Yeah.
Vamos!
Thank you.
Okay.
Chilico, life jacket please, everybody.
Life jacket.
Titanic ball, Titanic.
Dito tayo star, gusto mo?
Sige.
Don't say that.
Maybe small more.
Ayaw. Oh, ano?
Akin nga pa yun.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Real. Back free.
Round, 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 round!
Tapos nasa fourth destination. Ang oily ko na, oh. Grabe, baliw talaga yung ano. Pagod na.
Pagoda, mga first. And Kiara, kamot pa more.
Ngayon, last destination.
On to our
Piña
last
colada.
stop.
Best piña colada daw dito sa Cuba. Ay, sa Cayo Coco. daw.
Ay, di ba sa Cuba?
Kayo ko, ang sabi. Last destination. Piña Colada.